Now, explain to me real quick about this valley one more time. How it went from the ocean.
Okay, so it's called an ahupua'a. So you can see the mountain going up that way, and if you swing down, you can see the ocean there. So from the mountain to the ocean. So the king come along and he made these first natural subdivisions, and he took this area and he said, this is an area that a community can survive in, because you've got the ocean where the people can fish. As you come up the valley, you can grow the taro, you've got the fresh water coming down, bananas, you've got pigs, so you can kind of create an agricultural area. So there should be enough here to sustain a community that they won't have to venture out and so they can survive here.
So this goes way back.
This goes way back up.
It goes way back. Unfortunately, those trees are right there. I'll have to back up later. And this is a nice valley.
Yeah.
That's the second wettest part in the world, you said.
The wettest one is on Kauai, up at Princeville. But I think there's like 100 inches of rain falls up on top of this mountain here. It's just called West Maui Mountains. So.
Yeah.
A lot of rain coming down.
Yeah. So the little river's down here.
Some caves up on that side there too.
I saw a cave up there, yeah.
Here's the river. This flows like 365 days a year. Wettest, second wettest place in the world up in that valley, and it goes way back in there. And then there's the ocean right out there. Did you hear him? It would sustain a little community. This is where everything would be raised, all the food and stuff. And we would have different families in charge of different areas. One, 3 or 4 different families would be in charge of fishing. And then different ones were in charge of growing taro. Different other ones were in charge of something else, and they would all share everything, and that's how they would make their community go. First and foremost, you needed the water. Before they cleared this area, I was talking to Rick, and he said these papaya trees were not here, and after they cleared the area, they just shot up. That's a papaya. These are all papaya trees. There's how the papaya grows. You just pick them off of there. These papaya trees can grow really super tall too. These are just small ones. Look at this area here, would you? This is how it looked before anyone was here. The Hawaiians had to just make do with their existing surroundings. And out of all that, they were able to make these hales, which are little huts, and that's how they lived. And this is a cool little Polynesian Cultural Center on Maui. You can learn all about it. Hey, want more information about it? Let me know.
This plant is it's a medicinal plant. And the trunk was also used for wood, but it's known to be treated, you ferment it and drink it. But it's known to cure cancer, skin rashes, boils.
Wow. All kinds of different things.
Yes, yeah. My name is Jamie Laniakea Clark, and they did not offer us Hawaiian language in school when I was growing up. French and Spanish and Latin. So it's really nice to see these kids, this generation, who were taught Hawaiian language. But,
right. Now you get to pass it on.
Language. There was no writing, so I learned all my language from hula or ancestors. But my grandparents were told to stop speaking, and they couldn't teach their kids. So.
Oh,
man. You weren't allowed to speak.
They weren't allowed to speak in public.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now you said it. You said it's a national language.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
It's come back.
Yeah, that's good.
And I'm taking it at the college now. So, which is good.
Yeah. All right.
But, that's it.
Oh, is that right? Yeah.
Hey, so your plan is to have a petting zoo or a little petting place up here too, right?
There's going to be a petting zoo, and then we're going to keep them over in this area, and then during the day just bring some bunnies and stuff out for the kids to play.
Oh, nice. Nice. Hey, so Rick, is this your mascot, or is this what we're having at the luau?
Yeah, we nicknamed him Emu.
Emu.
The boys caught him this summer. He was just a little wild pig running around in the forest. And,
Oh, really?
Yeah, they caught him and we put him in here. He's
Are
kind
there
of our
wild pigs in the forest?
yeah.
So this came right out of the forest.
Right out of the forest.
Emu. Hey. Hey. I wonder what's down there. We're gonna go down here and I think we're gonna learn how to make poi. I think that's what we're gonna do.